Okay, here we go. It's time to take the covers off here. What sits under there? Hi guys, and welcome back to Archie Hamilton Racing and to another video where today is an exciting one because today is car collection day. I am buzzing to go and pick up my brand spanking new car from the dealership. And you may you can probably see from the title of this video what car it is, but this is really exciting because recently we did a drag race with this and I kind of just fell in love with it. It was just that good, and that is the all new, brand spanking new 2021 Mark 8 Golf R. I looked for ages to try and find one, looked on the internet, couldn't find the one I wanted. It was just a little bit of a tricky process, and then we found the right car. I jumped on it, bought it, and was like, right, that is exactly what I am jumping into, because this channel came from me modifying an A45 AMG. That is where this channel originated from, and I said recently I want to bring this sort of content back to you, and modifying sort of 30,000-40,000 pound cars and just going to town on them and enjoying them, but doing fun stuff, and that's what I've done, hence why buying this car. But before we go and collect my new car, I want to talk to you quickly about how you guys can save yourself money with today's sponsor, Pouch. Pouch is a free desktop browser extension that searches the internet for the best voucher codes and applies it automatically when you go to checkout when you shop online. I've been using Pouch for a while now, and the best thing about it is that it saves you money, but not only that, it also saves you time all in one. I'm a massive online shopper and use Argos and was able to find big bargains using Pouch on tech items such as TVs. As you can see, it was all very simple how I was made aware of these discounts at checkout. Pouch automatically popped up, scanned for some codes, and ended up saving me over £100. That's 10% off. That is awesome. Pouch works on over 3,000 UK websites. For example, Euro Car Parts, Currys, Domino's, Amazon, you name it, they do it. That's more than any other similar browser extension. It only takes a couple of clicks to download and also to pin it to your browser, which makes it all very, very simple. I will leave a link in the description. I will also leave it on the screen as well, how you guys can go and get Pouch downloaded for free and start saving yourself some money as well. So let's go back to collecting my brand new car. Let's go. And we have just arrived at the dealership to collect my new car. You may be able to see, hang on there James, but you may be able to see where I am. I have just arrived at the Peter Cooper Motor Group. These guys are in Hedge End, which is near Southampton, and yeah, we are here to collect my brand spanking new Golf R, and I'm buzzing. It's actually just inside there, so it's going to be a very cool collection day, and lots of Volkswagens around, as you can imagine, but it's going to be exciting. And we have James is here as well. James, how are we?
I'm welcoming myself to the channel again.
Thanks for coming. Moral support.
We share in each other's success. It's a beautiful day, and as you can see,
well, it's not, but okay.
Well, better than rain, and there's lots of Volkswagens around, isn't there, Archie, as you said?
Lots. We've just turned up in the RS6 and it is looking absolutely filthy, but yeah.
But look at it sat there.
And I think that's what we do have to reiterate the fact of. Look at it sat there.
What happened here, Archie?
Oh,
not again.
Not again.
Not again.
Went down the motorway, put another one on, off she went, came back, couldn't believe my eyes. But this is, well, looking absolutely filthy. But anyway, do you like it?
What? Yeah. That just looks insane, yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
As for the new thing, I don't have a clue.
We don't, at this point, we don't know. But all we do know is that I sent it around, went for a spec. What do you think about me getting a brand new Golf R?
Just love usable daily cars that don't cost an absolute fortune.
That's
you don't have to panic about the whole time.
That's the key.
Makes sense. And do you know what? Chuck it about, just a good car.
Good.
Actually,
fast.
Of which, I had one of these, didn't I?
GTI?
I had a Mark 7.5, 7.5, whatever you want to call the GTI, and one of the best cars I've ever owned is the daily, Archie.
Good car. You got it on a lease deal, cost you $150 a month.
150 plus the VAT, Archie, 30 ad, 180 in total.
This is Steve. Hello, Steve.
Right, shall we?
Yeah. If you want a Golf R, phone Steve at the Peter Motor Group. He'll look after you.
I'll give him a number.
Yeah. Steve's having a go at me because you also have other models in stock.
Lots of others, not just Golf R's.
No?
All sorts. Polos, Golfs, Artians, Tiguan's, Tuaregs.
Yeah?
You name it, Steve has it.
Got it. Let's do it.
Before we go and see my car, we're going to see a 17 plate Golf R, which is the older shape.
Big old spec.
Lapis blue, so it's still a very nice spec.
Exhaust out, Archie, Aquapovic.
Aquapovic. I don't know how to say this.
Some
one.
people call it a Krakovic. What do you think of that?
Wow. I don't know really. All I know, it does look good in blue. I actually had the option to go for my new one in blue. I decided not to go for it in blue because they're all blue Golf Rs.
Looks good though still.
Oh, I've just completely ruined it what colour it is. They still don't know what colour it is. Could be
Still
white.
don't know. Could be anything.
But yeah, it's still good. And these, for a good spec old Golf R, you're looking at late 20s. So it's good car for the money.
I like this.
Okay.
Just trying to work out what's happened to the car next to it.
Andover Bay, boof, in we go. Here we go. As you can see, congratulations Art Hamilton with your new VW Golf R. Oh yes, I'm happy about this, James. I'm ready to get going.
Well, I'm not, because I've got a mask over my eyes.
Wow, here it is under here. So we'll have to take the covers off, get ready to go, you know. But it's all under there. Do you know what this is? Chaos. This is chaos, isn't it?
It's got Lambo doors on it.
That is chaos. Imagine
Ow.
you just walked straight into my new car.
Shut up then.
you. Well, it just looks very interesting, very cool. I mean, if you're going down the road in that, I'm sorry.
Carbon.
Yeah, carbon.
Carbon top.
Carbon. You're causing chaos, mate. You're actually causing chaos at that point. So, anyway, we're going to take the covers off and then you guys can see it. But very cool to see this. Here we go. It's time to take the covers off here. What sits under there? Golf R. Got ya. So yeah, basically just after seeing the drag race and stuff, or doing the drag race, I just really wanted to bring like a cool daily back to the channel. Like I say, channel's originated from an A45. Had an A45S last year, missed having a hatchback, never had a Golf R, and to get the new 2021 Mark 8, the opportunity came up and I just took it. So that's sort of, I love jumping on an early car, so then we can just go to town on it and do loads of cool stuff on it and go from there. So here we go. You stay there and I'll do my bit. All right, James? Yes?
Yes, Archie. I'm
3,
filming.
2, 1.
Wallop.
There we go. Just going past the exhaust pipes. There we go, James. Do you like it?
Wow.
Ah, I've got an electric shock. Oh,
What happened, Archie?
got an electric shock, but I'm
Okay, I'm back to duty. Sorry, I was concerned for your well-being.
There we go. 2021 Mark 8 Golf R.
If I could, I would clap for you right now because that looks incredible, mate. Absolutely incredible. What do you think?
I think it's a cool car.
You
It is a cool car. I'll quickly explain. So this, obviously you can get this car, you can get the performance car. Basically what I wanted to do is get a very well, basically they come, you have a performance or non, and I wanted to go to town with the mods on it and do cool stuff. So I've gone for, you may think it looks fairly basic and not that exciting, some people might, but if you think those wheels are going to stay like that, you're mistaken. Those wheels.
Congratulations, it looks sick. I'll pass the camera back to you because there's so many details on this car. That's cool.
Okay, shall I walk around it, James?
Yeah, walk around it, Archie.
Okay, so we'll talk about the spec really, because got it stealthed out, had a few options, but for me the stealth was the one that I really wanted. Does look good. Does look good.
The diffuser and stuff over the previous years. That's a good old boy there.
We keep going, so we'll have a little walk around. Here we go. Look at it from this angle. I mean, it's chaos. James, I think these mirrors are going to have to go. They're going to have to go.
Let me have a check. 10-4, roger that, removed.
Those mirrors are going to have to go to black.
I like this blue around here.
Yes, called an IQ light.
But Do you know what scares me?
What?
Someone might think it's a GTE, Archie. Not that's a bad thing.
Well, not that's a bad thing, but it's an R. You just went and spent a load more money on an R.
It's an R. Have a look. R.
We can see.
Oh,
Do you like the plate, by the way? W6AHR. If people are thinking, well, that's a very similar plate to the Yaris, this is a replacement to the Yaris, by the way. So if you are thinking, well, you've just gone and bought a Yaris, you've just gone and got that. When I saw the potential of the new Golf R, the Yaris is gone, so I don't have there's too much content with that car online. James? Gone. And I wanted to do cool stuff with the R, and it just, an opportunity came up. I jumped at it. Yaris is gone, this and that. James, the key? Oh, we have the keys here. Hold the line.
Mate, the interior
all in a very nice, safe.
The interior is where this car comes into his own, Archie. Look at that dashboard. Sorry.
I cannot tell you how nice it is in here.
Look at the gear. DSG shifter's gone to that, like Porsche.
Yes. It is very, very nice. And we have a pan roof, which is key. And we also have chassis dynamic. Look at all these. Have you seen them?
Oh, wow.
It's chaos.
Oh, it's good.
It's a good car.
Sports seats in the back as well.
Yes.
Rich.
Yes.
Lad.
Look at all this carbon. Very nice.
Woo!
Paddles, big old paddles on her.
Got some nice mood lighting in the back here, lads. I feel, tell you what.
I tell you what.
You told me this was a Golf R until you pull in my leg.
Here we go. We're in. For now.
Very, very good, Archie.
Oh, I'm happy with it. I tell you what, I'm happy with that. It's a cool bit of kit. And here we go, we have the car outside. I'm just about to depart and I'm so happy with it. It's so cool just to have another hatchback on my channel. And how you see this car now, ladies and gentlemen, it will last like this for probably 5 minutes. I've got plans where this is going next week. We've got things to do, things to get started and get going with it, because it's going to be a really cool project. I don't want to say project car, but it is a cool little project. We are about to head on our way. And really, to be honest with you, I love the look of these Golf Rs. I think they're mega. I think they are just good value, to be honest with you. You might be thinking, well, that's crazy that these are nearly 40 grand. So basically, obviously this kept up with an A45S. It's beat an M140i. It's smashed other things as well. And I think I do have other plans for drag races of it. But for now, what I'm going to do is get modifying, get going, and just do crazy stuff. Because at the moment if you look at it from here, you might think, oh, it just looks like a Golf, it's very boring. But when you actually get going with it, it will be really cool. Like generally really, really cool. So for now, gonna get going, get on the road. I hope you guys like it. So there we go. I hope you guys are excited. Let me know what you think to the new Golf R. And yeah, cool plans coming up. And Supercar is coming soon as well. So it's all going on. Channel is, I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. And so make sure you check out Peter Cooper Group. Massive thanks. And also make sure you install Pouch. I will leave the link in the description. Get installing and get going with Pouch as well. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, check out James as well. I'll see you all very soon.